We are Lynn and Tony, and we love espresso. Summers off from teaching gave me the perfect opportunity to convert a horse trailer to a mobile coffee cart. With a lot of construction help from my husband and ultimately a business plan of sorts, my tiny cafe on wheels goes from pie in the sky to coffee in your cup. We hope. Ooh, something is wrong here. Hold on. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. The new machine arrived. This is the ECM Synchronika. This is a German engineered machine with the help of an Italian designer. Not cheap, but this is what I'm going to be counting on when I am serving coffee out of my coffee cart. So I have to get to know my beast of a machine here. And this is what I've figured out so far. This is my magic recipe. I'm using Tandem coffee, Pyramide. Love this coffee. They make others as well, but we really like Pyramide, and this is probably the one I'm going to be carrying on the coffee cart. So what do we have here? 25 seconds to pull a shot. 32 grams of coffee coming out, 20 grams of fresh ground beans in. What did we get? We got a really, really good shot. So I'm going to try to recreate this because one of the most important aspects in running a coffee shop, a coffee cart, a coffee trailer is consistency. Your customers need to know that every time they ask for whatever coffee they're asking for, it's going to be the same every time. So I'm trying to recreate this right now. This machine versus our trusty little Francis is much more precise, much more consistent, and just an all-around better machine for a lot more money. But really worth it. So let's begin. Nope. We got 36 grams of coffee out in 25 seconds. It was too many grams. This is something you always have to worry about: under extraction, over extraction. Under extracted coffee tends to leave a lot of sour notes in the mouth. Over extraction, some often overcooked or sort of burnt, or for me, cigarette ash flavored coffee. These are not something you want in your coffee. So for a nice balanced full coffee, we need to play with the grind, fine it up, coarse it up. This lives in a brown bag inside our coffee drawer, so when we take it out, it's not sitting exposed to light and temperature, and it's going to react a little bit differently than coffee that's been sitting here in the hopper. Let's try this again. amazing the difference. Consistency, usability, beauty. It's seriously a work of art. ECM, 2 thumbs up. Loving the coffee. Serving it soon off of Bumblebee Coffee Brewing.